Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Karderu, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with chapter 11 algebra. So children, let us begin. Question number B, t minus 7 greater than 5. So in equation we do not have this symbol. So this is not an equation. Next, in C we have only numericals, not the variable. So this is not an equation. Here again we have numbers, no variables. So again it is not an equation. Here 5 into 4 minus 8 is equals to 2x. We have equals to sign. We have an variable. Hence this is an equation with variable x. Next, x minus 2 is equals to 0. So is it an equation? Yes, because it is having an variable as well as equals to sign. Next, 2m less than 30. Although it is having an variable, it is not an equation because it contains the symbol here, that is greater than or less than symbol, isn't it? 2n plus 1 is equals to 11. Is it an equation? Yes, it is an equation with variable n. Here it is not an equation because it is not having any of the variable. Question J, 7 is equals to 11 into 2 plus p. Is it an equation? Yes, because it is having variable as well as equals to sign. So it is an equation with variable p. K, again an equation with variable y. Here it is not an equation because it is having less than symbol. Again not an equation because again we have greater than symbol. Here yes, it is not an equation because it does not have any of the variables here. Next, it is an equation because it has the variable as well as equals to sign. So children, whichever are the expressions which are tick marked, we have to write it is an expression with variable x. It is an expression with variable y, like this. Is it clear? Question number 2. Complete the entries in the third column of the table. They have given an expression, they have given the value of the variable, and you have to tell whether it is an equation or no. 10y is equals to 80. So y is multiplying with 10. If the value of y is 10, will it be 80? 10 into 10 is equals to 80. No. So write answer as no. That is, when you multiply 10 into y value is 10. 10 into 10 is not equals to 80. So you write no. 10y is equals to 80 where y is 8. So y is 8 is 10 into 8. It is 80. So it is satisfied. So you write yes. Next, 10y is equals to 80 where y is equals to 5. So in place of y you place 5. So 10 into 5, is it equal to 80? No. So write no. Next we have 4l is equals to 20 and l is equals to 20. 4 into 20, is it equals to 20? No. 4 into 20 is 80. It is not equals to. So you write no. So children, can you do rest of them? Just place the value of the given variable in this equation. If answer comes same on both the sides, then you write yes. If they come different, left hand side answer and right hand side answer both are different, then you write the answer as no. So this one you do it for your homework. Is it clear? If any doubts in this part, you can just ask me and I will solve you. I will solve one more here. P plus 3 minus 1, where the value of p is minus 1. So place minus 1 here. Minus 1 plus 3 is equals to 1. Minus 1 plus 3. So children, here minus 1 plus 3 you get the answer plus 2. When signs are different, you have to subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2, and which number is greater, you have to put the sign of that number to the answer. So plus 2 is equals to 1? No. So you write the answer no. Similarly, do the other.